Kristen Gracie, and today I'm going to be making slime. And I'm here with my sister Taylor. Say hi, Taylor.
Hi.
So, we have been making blue slime. You know why, Taylor?
Why?
Because we're making Frozen slime, Elsa slime. You know?
Yeah.
Because there's a movie called Frozen, and it just came out with a second one. So we are excited because we just saw it a couple weeks ago. So we are making Frozen slime.
We saw the two Frozen movies.
So we're gonna.
It was so great.
Okay, so let's get started. So first we're going to take this blue glue. We're going to start with the blue, which is blue glitter glue.
Hi everyone.
So we're going to squeeze half of it out.
Yeah, everyone. We just saw the Frozen 2 movie.
So I'm gonna add this to. So next I'm going to take my activator, which is Tide. Oh, it's hot. Yeah, it's hot because I have the heater on. So guys, I just finished kneading the slime. And it's really good. I really love it. It's really stretchy, guys. Oh my gosh. It's good. It's good pokes. It has good bubble pops. I love the slime so much. It's like my favorite slime I ever made, probably. It's like the perfect amount of activator. Not too much activator, not too less activator. It's perfect. Listen to great pokes. Look at bubble pops too. Sorry guys. So I hope you liked this video because I really enjoyed it. And I hope I'll see you next time for another video.